What if we didn't have paper waste, right? What if we could keep our trees healthy, let them soar tall like redwoods, creating beauty everywhere they touch? Now, I've got two little boys. I've got a 6-year-old and a 9-year-old, and I'm on a mission, a vested mission, to lead them a world that is better than I got it. Now, let's dive into some data. 150 billion boxes are created for the supply chain every year, and they go to waste because they're single use. Our team has a serious conviction and commitment to seeing smart cargo for the world. Now, we've completed 87 iterations of the technology, over 400 videos created of us testing this technology around the world, 250 units produced by our team to get to this moment to solve this problem. Now, my name is Robert Buchanan. I'm the founder and CEO of Adhere. My team of co-founders and teammates are tackling sustainability, but we're doing it with an interesting twist. We're looking at it from the perspective of a device to solve the problem in logistics. We're in the business of challenging the cardboard box and any other box that's not smart. Our smart cargo is built with robust hardware, rigid enclosures, and software that's entirely constructed within AWS. Our artificial intelligence allows you to seamlessly have a conversation with your supply chain. How cool is that, right? Imagine every box no longer creates waste, but instead is a data-driven machine that optimizes itself. Now, we're excited for you to review our submission because we actually have a shot at changing the world here. And I'm going to leave you with one final statistic. If each box is used 250 times in its lifetime, just 400,000 reusable smart boxes does the job, the work of 100 million cardboard boxes. That's the power of our device. Our target is to eliminate 100 million boxes in the supply chain within the next 2 years, and we think you can help with that. Thank you.